Are you ready to get ahead of the curve and revolutionize your online hustle? The future of online income streams is here, and it's being powered by AI. In today's video, we're going to explore how artificial intelligence is set to completely transform the way we make money online in 2024. Whether you're just starting out or already running an online business, understanding how AI is shaping the future can give you a competitive edge. Stay tuned as we dive into the AI trends that will change the game for online hustlers like you. As we enter 2024, AI is rapidly becoming an integral part of how we work, live, and make money. One of the most exciting things about AI is that it can empower anyone, whether you're an entrepreneur, a freelancer, or just someone looking for side income, to streamline their processes and scale their business in ways that weren't possible before. So, how exactly will AI revolutionize income streams in the coming year? First, AI will redefine the way we create content. Right now, many online entrepreneurs spend countless hours writing articles, creating social media posts, or recording video scripts. But with tools like Jasper, Copy.ai, and even ChatGPT, you can instantly generate high-quality content tailored to your audience. These AI-powered tools are able to understand the context of your message and produce text that's creative, persuasive, and SEO optimized. For content creators, bloggers, or digital marketers, AI will make it easier than ever to produce content consistently without compromising quality. And this doesn't just apply to written content. AI-driven platforms will help you create videos, designs, and even audio content with minimal effort. As AI continues to improve, this will drastically reduce the time it takes to produce content, allowing you to focus on scaling and monetizing your efforts. AI's influence doesn't stop at content creation. It's also transforming e-commerce. The future of online stores will be powered by AI in ways that improve the customer experience and increase sales. AI tools will allow online shop owners to provide personalized shopping experiences, recommend products based on previous purchases, and even predict future buying behavior. For example, AI-powered algorithms can analyze your customers' browsing habits and offer them customized product recommendations that are more likely to convert into sales. This leads to higher customer satisfaction and more repeat business. Additionally, AI-driven tools for inventory management, pricing strategies, and supply chain optimization will enable online businesses to run more efficiently. In 2024, e-commerce businesses will have access to smarter AI tools that predict trends, automate tasks, and ultimately drive more revenue with less effort. But AI won't just make content creation and e-commerce easier. It will also change how we interact with customers and handle customer service. AI-powered chatbots are already transforming the way businesses engage with their customers, and in 2024, these bots will only get smarter. With natural language processing and machine learning capabilities, AI chatbots can now provide personalized responses, solve customer issues, and handle multiple inquiries simultaneously. This reduces the need for human intervention, cutting down on overhead costs and ensuring that your customers get faster, more accurate responses. For online entrepreneurs, AI chatbots are a powerful way to enhance customer service while saving time and resources.